So right now we're making spicy chicken with peanuts. We have a pound of chicken breast, chopped and washed. We have 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 pimento pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of ginger grated. We have fine thyme. And we have some parsley that we need to chop. We have 3 bell peppers, 1 medium onion chopped thickly, and then a cup of peanuts. We have about a half cup of vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock if you prefer, but we are using veggie stock. We have a teaspoon of salt here, 3 teaspoons of rice vinegar, so it looks like 3 teaspoons of sesame oil, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay, so we have 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil hot, and we're going to put the peanuts.
The sauteed peanuts.
We're going to saute the peanuts. We're going to take out the peanuts. Okay, so the peanuts are roasted, and we're only going, ooh, it's a little hot. We're only going to chop half of them. So this is how it looks like when it's chopped, just to give the chicken a little texture. Tablespoon of brown sugar. We'll add the onion. Bell pepper. This is soy sauce and rice vinegar. I'm going to add the vegetable stock. We're adding the peanuts. Now we're going to toss the whole peanuts in there. With parsley. Now we're going to add parsley. 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. Alright, it's done. It's really good.